In this video, we will go through unboxing and pairing with the Milano Connect touchscreen thermostat. Thermostat consists of the following components: the touchscreen user guard, the touchscreen thermostat. In the bottom of the box we have the external temperature probe, which would be used in conjunction with underfloor heating, a pack of fixings, and the alternative coloured wall cover plate for the thermostat. We do recommend installation by a qualified electrician. To pair your device with the thermostat, first press and hold the greyed out Wi-Fi symbol on the top bar of the thermostat. Then press the pairing button once. On your mobile device, open the Corso app. Click the Add Device button. When it appears, select the device. Enter your Wi-Fi information, please ensuring that you use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The device will not work on a 5 GHz setting. Once paired, click Done and click the back button on the thermostat. The device is now paired.